Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today, like you probably saw in the title, today I'm doing the unsmashed burger. I mean, I've been making smash burgers for whatever, 5+ years, and I think I've probably made just about every smash burger there's known to man. If you don't believe me, go to my Instagram page, look through all the pictures, you'll find all the burgers we've done. I mean, there are so many of them. Anyway, so today we're going to unsmash them. Yeah, we're gonna have regular burgers, and I'm calling it unsmashing. We're gonna start a new fad. We're gonna unsmash burgers, and this is what they look like. Look at that. That's right. That's a regular, you know, that's bigger than a quarter pounder, smaller than a half pounder. I measured these out to 5.3 ounces, and it made 3 out of a pound of hamburger. So, all right, let's go show you how I made these unsmashed burgers on the Blackstone griddle on Man Kitchen Recipes. Let's make this go viral. All right, to get these burgers started, I'm gonna get my buns toasted. Got my griddle is pretty hot. Got some nice potato buns. That looks nice and toasty for me. Looks good. Toasty enough. Looks good. Don't want them too toasty, so those will be perfect. I laid some oil down. I want to have some grilled onions on mine. Yeah, those look nice. Slide these over. They'll keep cooking over here because the griddle's still warm. Now for our unsmashed burgers. We're going to unsmash burgers. How's that sound? Yeah, we're making regular burgers. They're not going to be smash burgers. They're going to be pressed down, but they're not going to be smashed. We do want that Maillard reaction. These patties are 5.3 ounces. I want to get them so that they're a little bit bigger than the bun because they are 80/20. Alright, so you can see these are going to be some nice thick burgers. Bigger than a quarter pounder, smaller than a half pound. Alright, so let this cook 2 or 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Alright, go in a couple of seconds. Go ahead and flip them. Look at that. That's right there is what I was looking for. Still get that crust of a smash burger without having them smashed super thin. Okay. I'm going to give them another flip, just to make sure we don't burn the bottom. There we go. Now after flipping them, mine, I'm going to get my grilled onions going down. You didn't think I was going to add green chili, did you? Alright, I got some bueno green chili. Got some green chili on there, and Elizabeth wants green chili on hers. Alright, she wanted some American cheese on hers, and I want Swiss cheese on mine. Alright, this one here that doesn't have any cheese or anything, just going to take a quick temp check. 168, that one there is done. Put this burger together. This is the unsmashed burger on the Blackstone griddle. Look at there. I got mine with Swiss cheese, grilled onions, and green chilies underneath there. But before I get started, I'm going to try this Great Value secret sauce. I mean, I wonder what the secret is. Just put a little bit on there. Put a little on top. Since I have my green chili and onion already in there, I'm just going to put a little more of this on top. And this is how I'm making this burger. No lettuce, tomato, onions are already in there. There you go. The unsmashed burger. That's right. This is the unsmashed burger. Nice, thick, 5.3 ounce patty, bigger than a 1/4 pounder, smaller than a 1/2 pounder. And just because my subscribers demand this of me, we're going to slice it open, see what it looks like. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Cheese, green chili, onion, secret sauce. Let's go taste it. All right, so how easy was that, right? Man, it looks delicious. The unsmashed burger on Blackstone griddle. Yeah, unsmashed. We pressed it down. We didn't smash it. We got that Maillard reaction on the meat. That's what gives the Smashburgers a lot of flavor. And anyway, so yeah, let's take a taste of a regular burger, unsmashed, griddled on the Blackstone griddle. Get a better grip. There you go. That is definitely a big bite. Perfectly cooked. Yes, you can make a regular burger on a Blackstone griddle. You don't have to smash them. Smashburgers are outstanding. The regular burger, the unsmashed burger, just as amazing. Give it a try. Not that we're tired of Smashburgers, but hey, sometimes you just want a big meaty burger. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I hope to see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great day.